if you find the oof sound effect, the video ends, type in Roblox, and if you can't find it, then type O, then type OO. If you can't find it, then. That's a lot more requests than I've ever had. Let's see, we just gotta find oof. I bet you if I just clicked on one of those live streams, it would work. Free Robux. When I see free Robux, I immediately just wanna. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna spend the time.
Insane, guys. Yo, how's your day going, guys? How's your day going right now? Everyone, keep spamming your Roblox username. Keep spamming your
Don't do
Roblox
that.
username right now in the chat. Keep spamming it in the chat, guys.
That is
Keep it
stupid.
coming, guys. Keep spamming your Roblox username. I'm gonna add some more people to the gifting list right now, to the Roblox payout list.
Sorry, that was a rant. Let's continue on. I can't report it for some strange. I'm not allowed to report if I'm not on my thing. Whatever. That's a dumb thing. Let's see here. Just search for a little bit here. Free Robux in live stream. Let's see.
Stay up in the stream as long as you possibly can, because the longer you're in the stream, the more Robux you're actually going to
You're
get.
not gonna get Robux. Do not believe that. Oh my goodness. Literally, I just give me access to YouTube to block only Roblox site. I bet you. I just need another one of those like get free Robux. Like you're never gonna get free Robux this way. I'm sorry. The worst part is one time my friend actually got me to. It was for a different game. It wasn't this game. But they did the same thing where they like make you think that I don't think I'm gonna find the sound effect unless I click on a video here and just watch a video for a while, but I don't want to do that. What the heck is this? Why does that have 847? Has anyone watched Think Noodles? That literally looks like a. I don't know. I'm not gonna judge it because I haven't watched it yet, but okay, we're pretty far down. I'm gonna go. We're just gonna type in O. Oh, pencil, where art thou? Thank you, Pencilmation. Oh, Pencilmation's like the YouTube. Although I think it's a better channel than Talking Tom's Friends Brazil. No, I think it's a better channel. I don't think we're gonna find it. Let's try two O's. New Arabic song, really? Double O, double O's. Yep, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to find it. I guess we'll just end the video with the very first video, unless it's like we're going to skip any verified channels because I do not want to get a copyright strike. Here we go, first one. Alright guys, we're going to go find a Roblox thing again. This one had just straight up copyright music, probably. I want to find one that looks like they're, not robots. This guy's talking. I don't want to do like tutorials. I want to just find like a normal gameplay kind of thing. Megaphone ID codes? What? An ending thing? Come on, there's not like a normal channel that's just like. Okay, here we go. This guy looks like a normal channel.
What's up, guys? We're back with another
There we go.
video.
Alright.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys
Let's see if he
new codes
oofs.
we just added to the game. But before we get into the codes, I want to let you guys know that the old codes, those codes are going to expire on the 12th of this month. So go ahead, go watch the old video real quick.
How old is this guy? He looks like he's 24 or 25.
Guys, to subscribe to the channel if you find these videos helpful, and if you guys want to
Yeah, I do.
we get, the more codes I will post. But now let's hop right into this. The first code you guys want to use is code.
Let's try again. I'm just trying to find like a normal stream that's not like. Here's a code, guys. Like, can you just do and be a normal you? You know what? I know how to do this. I actually know how to do this. Last hour, and then we're gonna do upload date, and a lot of streams. Okay, this one looks stupid. Let's try it. This is a pain. What happened to, like, there's a way I can find it, but I don't want to do it that way. That'd be boring. Okay, here we go. This one's like a, wait, this is not Roblox. Okay, half the way into it. Let's go.
You did not use Aya.
Oh boy. Can the video load, please? Let's get like right in the middle. There'll be an oof. I promise.
Bruh. Oh my. The guy. Bruh. Okay.
No audio.
Oh my. Like.
Guys, this is ridiculous. It should not be that hard to find. Why was that guy's video not? Oh my gosh, a giveaway. I'm so tired of giveaways. Why is it Roblox just full of giveaway scammers? Seriously. Okay, here. Okay, let's just click like random in the video. Mi cumpleaños con mis subs. That is not Roblox. This is not Roblox. This is not Roblox. This is not Roblox. Why is it... Why am I seeing a different video? You know what I mean? Like, what? What is going on? Last hour. Upload date. Scroll down. I'm not gonna... Okay, Roblox and chill. This guy has guns. Should be good. Alright, here we go. Alright. Well, we're not waiting for that intermission, sorry. He didn't even... He didn't even play, guys. Alright. Here we go.